today let's we begin with the geography subject, right? In geography, we can start with unit unit first. Unit first, that is India position and extent, right? India position and extent we study in this lesson. In this lesson, we study about location and extent of India, right? If certain portion, certain land is present anywhere in the world, it has some specific position and its frontier has some specific extent up to somewhere. So, as like some portion in the globe or around the world, India also has its position and extent, right? Let's we discuss about our country, right? In this lesson, location of India in Asia and the world, extent and frontiers of India, neighboring countries of India, right? We deal with this in this lesson. My dear students, please take the textbook and hold in your hands and go through the lines whenever I am reading. After completion of my reading, just see my look at my explanation, that line by line what I am explaining, how I am explaining, right, regarding which topic, and what is relevant explanation, what is relevant mapping, and what are the degrees, and what were the Iceland, right? Everything. Look at the textbook and what I am explaining and go through that. When along with my explanation, if you go through the lines, you will get the proper imagination of my explanation of this lesson, right? Let's we begin the topic location, right? Geographically, India is located within both northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. It is peninsula situated in southern Asia, right? The mainland of India extends from 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, and from 68 degrees to 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend further southwards and add to India's latitudinal extent. The Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in Nicobar Island at 6 degrees 0.45 minutes northern latitude. The northern tip of India is Indira Col in Jammu and Kashmir, right? Let's we go through in the line by line. India is located within northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. It means, assume this is the globe, whole earth. It is located in northern hemisphere, means this is the equator, right? This is the equator. This is the equator, 0 degrees Celsius, right? And it will be the north side, right? This is the south part of the globe or earth. This is north part of globe, right? India is located in northern part, northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. East means it will be the east, right? Sun will get rise here and sun will set this side, right? This is east to west, right? East to west. This is the east, this is the west, northern part of the hemisphere and eastern part, right? Have you got this? And the main land of India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree to 6 minute northern latitude, and from 68.7 minutes to 97.25 east longitude, right? Here India extends from north latitude means this is north latitude, right? North latitude. This is from 8.4 to 37.6 north latitude, and from 68 degree to 68 degree point 7 minutes to 97 east, right? Okay. India extends from 8.4 degree to 37.6 minute northern latitude, from 68 degree point 7 minutes to 97.25 east longitude. Here east longitude means here this is 68 to 97, right? This is east longitude. This will be a 0 to like increasing order 68. It is 97 towards east, right? Towards east, and towards east longitude, and from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. This is 8 degree 4 minutes, 8 degree 4 minutes, and 37 degree 1 minute. It will be here, right? 8.4 degree, 8 degree 4 minutes, 37 degree 6 minutes, right? The extension of India with the imaginary lines here, 68.7 to 97 eastern, and in the northern 8.4 to 37 degree 6 minutes, right? The Andaman and Nicobar Island extend further southwards and add to India's latitudinal extent. Means here the Andaman and Nicobar. This is the Iceland, right? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here it is southwards added to India's latitudinal extent. This is latitude, right? This is latitude, imaginary, right? This is latitude added to the south part of, this is south part of India added here. It is added to the India's part. Here, the next, the Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in the Nicobar Island. This is the Nicobar Island, and at the end of this here Indira Point is located, right? At 6 degree 45 minutes northern latitude, right? With the northern latitude, this is northern latitude, 6 degree point 45 minute northern means upper side. This is northern latitude, this is southern latitude, right? The northern tip of India is Indira Puri, Jammu and Kashmir. This is northern tip. This is northern tip, Indirapur, right? Indirapur, and this is Indira Point, right? This is Indira Point. This is Indira Point. This is northern tip. This is southern tip, and India's south part is Kanyakumari, right? This is Kanyakumari. It will be here. This is South India. This is South India's part and this is Indian South part. Again I am telling you, this is Indian South part and this is South Indian part and this is Indira Code. Right? Now location is completed and next part is location of India in Asia and the world. Means whenever someone asks you that where the location of your hometown or your home or you, just you will give them answer that I belongs to Pakipur district and Biligi and my home is here nearby this school and this hill, right? You will give some particular, right? As like that, our nation also had some location in whole continent and in whole world. That is the Tropic of Cancer, 23 and half. This is passes through the middle of the country, and 82 and half east longitude is central meridian of India. This is called east meridian because from the east side it is the first longitude of India after 97.25. This is the first meridian longitude of India. So it passes here 82 point, and this 23.55 is Tropic of Cancer passes here, and this is Indian Central Meridian 82 and half degree passes through here. The Indian Standard Time is based on this longitude, right? This is Indian Standard Time, IS, the Indian Standard Time. We can measure with the help of 82 and half northern eastern longitude, right? And why we measure the time with the help of this is because after this eastern longitude 97.5, this is out of India, right? This is the east part of the country in Arunachal Pradesh. After this longitude, and it is the first which we used to measure the time through this 82.5. So hence we measure the time with the help of this plus 530, right? Plus 530. We will discuss in detail with the Indian Standard Time with respect to 82 and half in the next lessons, right? And extent. Next portion is extent. India is the 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, the USA, Brazil, and Australia. It has total area of 32,87,263 square kilometers, right? India has totally its area. India has its area is 32,87,263 square kilometers. It means it's a land area, right? It accounts for only 2.42% of the world's total area. Means this is the globe. If this is the 100%, means 2.4% of the land area India contributed its area in the world, right? The east to west extent of India is over 2933 km. From north to south extends 3214 km. Means this is east. Means this is east to west is 2933. Means east Arunachal Pradesh to this Gujarat is 2933 kilometers, and where the north extent from south is 3214 kilometer. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3214 kilometers. It's a length, means in kilometers area. So students, whatever I taught here, go through the video and read the lesson line by line, and whatever the doubts will comes comes in your mind, you can question it. And regarding this topic, we should go again deeply in the next class, and I'll explain before going to the next question. So today we stop here, students, and after reading this, I'll send some questions in the group, and you should give answer for that, and I will give the particular time, and up to that you have to read and analyze, and later you can give answer for that. Thank you, students.